Thank you guys for coming back for another day of Vlogmas. I have been recording so many videos, I don't even know what day I'm on. But here goes another Christmas video. I created this board to do signs above my coffee station so I wouldn't have to buy sign after sign for each season. And I'm going to redo it today. I've got some rhinestone wrap and I'm going to put that right on the ends.
Bundled up, the carriage rides, a newfound love, cuddled up by my side. Christmas lights, everywhere you look, this town turns into something out of a storybook. It's that time we wait for all year, and it's finally here. So let the sleigh bells ring. Go ahead, light up your Christmas tree, and let all the angels sing. Oh, what a joy this season brings. And Santa's been working hard all year, and he's finally here.
guys for coming back and looking at another video. I hope you are enjoying my first Vlogmas season. I know I am. It's a little tiring, but I'm hanging in here, guys. I think that turned out beautiful. You will see the sign once I do the coffee station makeover. If you are a current subscriber to this channel, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you. Without you, this channel would be absolutely nothing. If this is your first time coming to my channel and looking at a video, please look around. If you like my content, go ahead and show me some love and hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it. And as I always say, don't you let no one disturb your joy or your peace, because they will try, but they can only disturb it if you allow them. When you have toxic people in your life, send up prayers. Trust me, prayer works. And you're going to look up and that person going to be moved on out of your way. Thank you for looking at another video. Be blessed.